In this video, I'll show you how to create a new MySQL database and user in your hosting control panel. This is important for setting up your WordPress site. First, log into your hosting control panel, like cPanel or depending on what your web host provides. Once you're logged in, you'll see two ways to create a database. 1. MySQL Databases. 2. MySQL Database Wizard. If you are a new developer, I recommend using this method, the MySQL Database Wizard, as it is user-friendly. However, if you'd like to create a database using the other method, the MySQL Database option, be sure to check out our video on that. You can find the link in the description. Before we create a new database, let's take a look at our existing databases. We'll go to phpMyAdmin and check out the list of databases. Then, we'll click on the one we want to view. After reviewing the existing databases, let us return to the cPanel and continue with the MySQL Database Wizard to create a new database. Let's click on MySQL Database Wizard to get started. Step 1. Create a database. Simply enter the name you want for your new database. And click Next Step. You will see a message of Successful Creation Database. Step 2. Create a database user. Now, you'll need to create a database user. Enter a username for your database. In this example, I'll use WordPress_DB_user. Next, set a strong password. I highly recommend using the password generator tool for this. Copy the generated password, check the box, and paste it into the password fields. Make sure to save your username and password in a safe place. Once done, click Create User. You'll see a confirmation that the user and database have been successfully created. Step 3. Add user to database. Now, you'll need to grant the necessary privileges to this user. Select All Privileges, and then click Make Changes to finish the settings. Step 4. Complete the task. That's it. You've successfully created a new MySQL database and user. If you want to access your new database, simply navigate to phpMyAdmin in your control panel, where you'll see the database listed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.